Nina and I had 2 Bikeshare keys, but one didn't work. So, you know, Nina gets to ride the bike and I have to run.
We're in Washington, D.C. visiting Jay's brother, but taking a day to bike and walk around the city.
There you go. Do you want to sit in his lap?
How do I get to his lap? I gotta tell him what I want for Christmas. The Smithsonian headquarters, I'm pretty sure. And I am going for some food trucks in DC with the Washington Monument right in the background. No longer in Philadelphia, but Jay chose today to get a Philly cheesesteak.
Doesn't the tower look like it's leaning to you? Or
No.
if you tilt the camera a little bit?
Yeah.
Now you can see it?
You're not even close to holding it up. Your hand needs to be straighter. Your hand's leaning. Nope. Back. No. No, no, no. All right, you're bad. We're at Jared's office. He has 6 screens in his office. I wouldn't expect anything less.
It's like what our video operating looks like.
This is actually our setup. I do see myself.
And so this is how, believe it or not, a TV hit works. You'd think that Tucker Carlson or somebody's sitting on
Washington, D.C. actually looks more like this with us editing. Tomorrow we're getting the windshield on the van replaced, hanging out with our niece.
Yeah.
Want to see the van? Whoa. Oh, she's making it. Oh, wow.
Hi. Wow.
Pioneer. Look at her. She's trying to steal our food.
Jayla said it's pretty.
Thank you, Jayla. Show her the way, Nina.
Let's go see Mama. You want me?
Good job, haircut lady.
Important things on our rest days.
Ready to be done with my long hair.
Meow, exactly.
Yeah.
Rainbow.
How do you feel about getting your windshield replaced?
So happy. They showed up an hour before they said they would, and I was still sleeping this morning.
They started fixing your windshield?
Yeah, no, I was just in bed and was like, oh, get me out of here.
Just cleaning up the van a little bit.
Let's see what we find around boxes.
Oh, a lovely jelly knife. See, you know you have a clog when the Drano clogs isn't going down the sink. DC again. It's nighttime this time, as you can probably tell.
Hello, Jayla.
Nina went grocery shopping while I went to go get the oil change on the van, and she gives me a call once I'm here saying that she forgot her wallet. Unfortunately, this is very normal.
Not right now, I'm so angry.
Hot stickers. You want to tell us what happened this morning, lady?
Just spilled some out right now.
You're a mess. What happened, lady?
I left my wallet in the car, which is a normal occurrence for me. And Jay went to go get our oil change, and it took an hour and a half. So I was waiting at the grocery store for him to come back and bring my wallet. I was so mad.
Whose fault was it, though?
Jiffy Lube for taking so long.